Hello, good morning, sir. This is H. Kishan and Manish D of MCA third semester, and this is our IoT project, Pet Care System. In this project, the user can remotely access the dog's daily routine such as video feed, etc. activities, and he can also remotely feed the dog. In this project, we are using Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, relays, Pi camera for monitoring, DC motor for dispensing of the food, and DC pump for liquids such as milk and water. And here it falls. And we are using power bank as a power supply. The mechanism in which the food is dispensed is such that this is a wheel structure in which there is a hole. So every time it completes a revolution, it pushes the food pedigree into the hole, and hence due to gravity it falls down to the bowl. This is the starting interface of all the users. Here the user logs in the account. This is the initial interface in which the user faces. There are many options such as live streaming, support, as well as feeding the dog. So we'll go by the first feature, which is feeding. There are two options for feeding, either periodic feeding, which is done through cron tabs, or else remote feeding. So when you click the button, the machine starts to feed. So as you can see, the DC motor turns and the DC pump pumps the water. So together they pour it in the bowl and we can see the outcome. So we are using Firebase as a switch system in which since a click of a button, the motor gets updated to true. The next feature, which is live stream. In the live stream, we can watch it through this. Here we have just created an interface where we are using PyCam and we can monitor the pet. This is done using something called ngrocks. This is a private host service in which you can host your local host onto a server. Hence we can access the video feed from anywhere. So this is how we are accessing local feed to our website.